Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of SLP was breaking down a support of the triangle and also testing the support of 2.74 cents. Right now, we have completely broken down both of these supports, and in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal move from here, or we are going to break down the next support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line started the formation of this symmetrical triangle on 9th of Feb. We had a bounce by this support here. We had few rejections by this resistance here. Again, few bounces, a few touch points at the support and had a nice bounce. And again, few touch points at the resistance, and we rejected and moved down to this support here on 14th of Feb. We had a very nice bounce. We broke out the resistance, but it was a fake out, and we moved down and broke down both of these supports, the support of the triangle and also the support of 2.74 cents. You can see that previously this 2.74 cents has been breaking as a nice support here and as a nice support here as well. In the immediate short term, it was a very nice support. Now in the immediate short term, we have the next support at 2.45 cents, and after that we will have this very significant support at 1.75 cents. And I'll tell you on the daily time frame, when I'll switch the chart to the daily time frame, how much this support is important for us. And if we take a look at the next support that we are just going to test very soon, is also very important, because when we had this rally, we were rejected by the support here. At that time, it was breaking as a resistance. Then it worked as a nice support here and here as well. Right now, we are again going to test this 2.45 cent support. And the stochastic entered the overbought zone. We rejected. We moved down. And again, we reached the next resistance here at 4 cents, and the stochastic again entered the overbought zone. Then we again rejected, and the stochastic completely entered the oversold zone here when we were at this support of 2.45 cents. This time, by the way, here as well, here the stochastic did the same. When we were testing 2.45 cents, the stochastic entered the oversold zone, and we had a nice reversal. Now this time, when we are going to test the support of 2.45 cents, at the same time, stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and it is possible that it will again repeat the same action, and it will turn bullish, and the price line will again follow the move of the price line and start the reversal move from here. In that situation, the next support that was previously working as a support, obviously this time it can work as a resistance of 2.74 cents, and also this previous support of the triangle can work as a resistance again. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, here I have placed this trend line of 1.7475 cents, and I have been telling you, since we have broken out this resistance of the channel, that this support can be used, 1.75 cents, as a stop loss, because here we have been using this level for the past several days as a support. And before the breakout, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, we tested this support once more before the breakout, and this was a recent swing low. And after confirmation, this 1.75 cents as a firm support, we broke out the resistance of the channel. Therefore, there will be a very high probability, for example, if the price line will re-enter the channel, then it will test its support and have a reversal, a bullish reversal move from there. However, right now we are about to test the previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. That is approximately at the same level where we are discussing this support of 2.45 cents. And we are also having the exponential moving average 21 at the same level, exactly at the same level where we have this resistance of the channel, and now it is breaking as a support. So it can be a very, very big confirmation for the breakout as well. After the breakout, we will test this previous resistance as a support of a very, very big channel, and then we can have a powerful reversal. And remember, we have broken out the resistance of this channel with the bullish divergence. So you can see that here, when we were breaking out, the RSI oscillator was forming higher low than previous low, and the price line was forming a lower than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence while we were breaking out this channel. Therefore, it is possible that we will eventually reach our target of this channel, and that is really very high. If we reach the top of this channel, that will be approximately 35 to 36 cents. So next few hours are again really very important for SLP token. We are going to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and also going to test this support as well, while the stochastic oscillator has again entered the oversold on the 4-hourly time frame chart. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.